Hi, I'm Trisla Nelson, and I'm the director of the School of Geographical Sciences and Urban Planning at Arizona State University. Our community of faculty, students, staff, and researchers are delighted to welcome you to a new school year. Whether this is your first semester or you are entering the final countdown towards earning your degree, we are very happy to have you here. That's because there's a world to discover and problems to solve, and students, like you, are key to finding solutions. From creating vibrant mixed-use community spaces to investigating urban heat islands and how to live well in hot cities, the tools and skills you are learning during your time at the School of Geographical Sciences and Urban Planning are critical to creating a happier, healthier, and more equitable future. As a student here, you are gaining hands-on and marketable experiences with cutting-edge technologies like geographic information systems and data collection using drones. So whether you find yourself out in the field or in a classroom, you are building the skill sets needed to make a difference in this world and to have an impactful career. We are so happy you are here to join us on this journey at the School of Geographical Sciences and Urban Planning, where we navigate the world and plan the future.